What's up, everybody? Tim here. Got a little product review I want to bring up. Something kind of just makes me mad. Y'all might have watched the video where I installed these night lights, flush mounts into my bumper. Those lights were like 25 bucks on Amazon for the pair. Well, it hasn't even been a year yet. Matter of fact, it was less than 6 months, and this light right here has been burnt out. This one has moisture in the lens still. That one had moisture in the lens. The hardware screws rusted out almost immediately within a week or two. So I haven't been too happy with these lights. So I don't know, maybe a month or so ago, a representative from Nightlights reached out to me. They saw my video on YouTube where I put these in and wanted to know if I wanted to do a collaboration with them. They'd send me free lights. I make videos of their lights. Well, I asked them what their warranty process was for the lights, because one of them's burnt out and both of them got moisture in the lens. And they referred me to go to their website and look up their warranty process, which I did. And I'll post the warranty process up on the screen. And so it's a 2-year warranty on the lights from the day you purchase it. I purchased it on Amazon from Nightlight. Now, in their warranty, it says condensation in the lens is a cause for warranty. So when I contact them, tell them both my lights had condensation and this one over here kind of burnt out. Well, they kind of gave me the runaround, kept wanting to see videos and pictures of it, so I sent them pictures and videos. Well, then they kept asking for more, so I kept doing it. And anyway, long story short, they said, okay, we're going to warranty your light. So when they said light, I'm thinking they're only going to warranty this one light because it's completely burnt out. But I told them both my lights had moisture in the lens, and I showed them pictures. At the time, that one had moisture still in it. So I'm going to be really mad if Nightlight only sends me one light because it's burnt out. Because their warranty clearly states condensation in the lens. And I sent them pictures of both lights with condensation in them. So I'm waiting to see on that. Well, they said, oh yeah, we'll warranty your light. We'll send it out immediately. 3 to 5 days. And you'll see that in the emails. So I waited. It's been 26 days. No light, no email, no shipping confirmation, nothing. So I contacted them again a couple of days ago. Oh, yes, sorry about that. We ran out of lights, so we're going to send you one now. So they gave me a tracking number for USPS. So I'm waiting to see what they send in the mail, if it's one light or 2 lights. If it's one light, I'm just going to pull the other one out and smash them on the ground. I do not recommend buying from Nightlight. They give you a hassle on replacing them. And even when it's in black and white for condensation in the lens, I'm still thinking they're only going to replace that light there because it's burnt out. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to turn my truck on and put it in reverse and show you that light. But it's, I guess it is what you pay for. You pay 25 bucks, you're going to get 25 bucks worth of crap. So I'm not happy with their lights. I don't recommend their lights. The light bar on the front of my truck is Extreme LED Light Bars brand. And I've had it longer than I've had these backup lights, and it's great. It works flawlessly. Their customer service was great, because when it first showed up, a relay in the box was broke. Just the case, the relay worked, but the plastic case was broke. So I sent them a picture of that, and they sent me one out like immediately. Like I had it within 2-3 days. So I'm extremely happy with their product. And it's held up nicely, no condensation, it's bright. So I think I might end up going and buying their flush lights to put in my back bumper, just because they have good customer service and I like their lights. Probably won't be doing cheap stuff like that no more. So it's kind of a learning lesson there. But I wanted to make a product review just to show it off, and just to let them know your lights are crap, your warranty process is crap. If y'all don't warranty both my lights for the condensation, I'll make sure and put the word out not to buy from y'all because it's crap. Poor customer service, slow, and you don't stick to your word. Anyway, I'm gonna turn the lights on and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, you can clearly see that light right there is barely flickering inside. That one still got moisture. You can see a little bit of moisture right there in the lens. That one there, I think, since the weather's fine, I apologize for that. I ran out of room on my, I'm using my DJI Osmo 2 gimbal, and I'm using the program, the DJI Go app, and it ran out of room on there for the video, so I had to delete some stuff and continue on. Anyway, like I said, you can see there's no moisture in that light right there because the moisture's kind of gone out of it now. But earlier this summer when it was real high humidity down here in Texas, that thing was full of moisture. This is almost dried out now, and you can also see that light is still not working properly, it's still burnt. So, not happy with night lights at all. And I would not recommend buying them. It's just my opinion. You can buy cheap stuff if you want, but that's probably what you're going to get, and you're going to get the hassle when it comes to the warranty. Anyway, hope y'all have a good day. And when I get the replacement lights, I'll make a video putting those in. Take it easy later.